Hello, Cloud Perceptors. AWS is offering 3 builder labs for beginners and pro alike. So take this benefit before August 15th, 2023. Although these labs are normally available with AWS Builder subscription, but as of now they are free. So the first lab is evolution of a website growing from single server to serverless, which is kind of a great lab which guides you how you can move from single server to serverless. Okay. Second lab is serverless architectures with Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon Kinesis Streams with AWS Lambda. And the last one is front end is for everyone. So take this opportunity and utilize these labs on or before August 15, 2023. Thank you.